Guys, welcome to another video here with SirMalo Performance. As you guys can see, we're working on Project Muerto. Today we're going to concentrate on these headlights. We're going to remove the clips. I'll use my plastic prior. Lift up the button. Lift up the clip, button, clip, button. So I have them all. Make sure you put them to the side. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove our cap. Here, let's do the easy part. So this hinge will go up like that, slide out, put on top of your box. This will come out. And then lefty loosey. High beam, low beam, the same. Again, I already removed clip. Move this out of the way. Bring it up. Lefty loosey. Comes out. Needle nose. Once you remove your top cap and your headlight, you'll squeeze these back sides like so. Spray some lube on them, get them pressed down. That way you're able to pop off your grill faster. You don't break your grill in half, which I almost did trying to replace my quarter light. So that way you have access to your whole front fascia. I'm gonna grab my needle nose. Push in that clip, should pop out. Lefty loosey. You can tell these are all stock. Want to change your bulbs, change them out now since they're blown out. And that's it, so those are out. This will be the moment where I'm going to check my bulbs on all these. This is a style of LED. It looks like those 194s. Alright, plugged it in. Fortunately, my HIDs that I got, one of them does not work. Only one of them did, so I'm not going to be installing them. But here's the grand surprise. There we go. You guys can see the stock ones down there. This is going to be the new additions to this vehicle. So let's go ahead and rip off these stickers. And let's get to it. So, again, I'm going to just reverse this insulation, then this sleeves into here. There's a bit of a position to it. That's it. Make sure that it properly mounts here and here, where that leg is at. And then give it a little light tap. Let's move quick. There we are. What we're going to do, we're going to install that grill back into place. Just position properly. I like to start from the bottom, make sure that the bottom's engaged. Then I'll move over to the top. Make sure that those are sleeved in. That's it. Then I go down to my edges. Pop them into place. That's it. That's your grill. Alright, this looks like a passenger. I'll put our high beam in. A little bit of lube. Just makes the process a lot more faster and smoother. Locked into place. There we go. We got our passenger side in. Let's move to our and this is our driver. We're going to go underneath this hood latch cable. I'll start off with my low beam, now high beam. Make sure you sleeve in first. Sleeves here, sleeves here. No lube needed on this one. That's it. There we are. Almost done with the installation, guys. But for the most part, this is almost complete. This is where I grab my clips. Alright guys, that's it. Headlights are done. Let's turn them on, see what they look like at night. Got those little LEDs. They look alright. Kind of ridiculous, but shine nice and bright at night. Those are stock OEM headlights, and I know these ones are burnt out, so I'll have to take them out, redo them again, or I'll possibly swap them out for some LEDs on the bottom as well. But that's it, guys. Thank you for sticking tuned with the video. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned with more SirMalo performance. This is Project Muerto. Thank you. Peace.